Hello, my name is Michael Hawks. I'm the design manager at Acorn Deck House Company. One of the common questions that we get asked a lot from our clients is how much is this going to cost? We use prefabrication as a means to deliver a project that can be more predictable throughout the entire process. Prefabrication, as opposed to stick-build construction, means that we are able to pre-plan a lot of these items as well. So if we're controlling the quality of what we're building, we're controlling the cost and estimating along the way, we also can help to better manage the time spent on site as well. So all those factors help to make it a more predictable and efficient process, which then translates to cost savings and cost management. What a lot of clients need to consider when they're thinking of the cost of their house is that there are certain elements that have more of a cost effect than others. So for instance, the amount of glazing has a significant effect on the cost of the project. The amount of surface area, so if you have a lot more corners or gables, clerestory windows, those kind of elements will add to the cost of a more simpler structure. So with prefabrication, we're able to build something that is of higher quality, better precision, and is more easily able to stay on track and on budget. At Acorn Deck House Company, we pride ourselves on the level of quality and craftsmanship that we can offer. The fact that we can build and control a facility means that we can achieve a higher level of precision than a typical house.